Alright, the cord is here that we're going to use. My dad had this spare. Wonder what it is. Is it for a Venetian blind? It's a nice thickness. Slightly thicker than the one that we've got. Okay. Let's take this guy apart. Ding, 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 ding. Now, if you've got too much cord sticking out at the end, let's say you finish the job and it looks like that. Okay, you've got this cord flopping around. You don't want this flopping around and smashing your car while you're running. So how do you fix it? Take out a big lot of slack. Okay, like that. And then you hold it from turning around. You hold it like that. And then you bring the string up to this guy here. Okay, so you use something to bring the string up to here in that little notch. Once you've got it in the notch, hold the string in that notch and then move the white piece around one more lap. I know it's going to be hard, but you got to do it. Once you go around one more lap and bring the notch back to here, then the spring is even harder, but the string hasn't moved. So when it retracts, the spring will actually bring all the cord back in. So that's the trick to taking out the slack, and that's why there's a notch there.